This is Wednesday, July 29th, descriptive writing activity. So when we talk about descriptive writing, we are actually talking about adjectives. Okay, so what I've done is I've chosen a picture of a rainbow and I've given you 3 adjectives that I think would describe a rainbow. Lots of colours, so I've chosen the word colourful. That's a describing word that tells you what a rainbow is like. Then I've looked at the shape. This is an arch or a semicircle, so I've written arch. And then I looked at it and I thought it's really pretty, so I've chosen the word pretty. So they're my 3 adjectives that describe a rainbow: colourful, arch, pretty. So that's a rainbow. What about an animal? What about a little puppy? What sorts of adjectives could you use to describe a puppy? Have a good look at the picture. I've chosen very cute. Then I've looked at the colour, it's white. And then I looked at the size of the puppy, it's small. So my 3 adjectives are cute, white, and small. What about a person? I'm just going to try and make this a bit bigger. Oops. So this is not going to work today. Okay. On a sheet of paper, just get a scrap sheet of paper. Think about a person. It could be your friend, your teacher, your sister, your brother. What sorts of adjectives would you use to describe a person? Would it be the same sort of words to describe a rainbow or a puppy? Would you say a person was colourful, like we said a rainbow was colourful? Or a person was cute, like we said a puppy was cute? I would say I can describe someone I know that I think is cute. Colourful, I'm not so sure. So on your sheet of paper, try and think of 6 adjectives that describe a person. I've started you off. I've thought of tall, like Mr. Frank is tall, or short, like Mrs. C, she's quite short. So these 2 would describe a person. You try and think of 4 more to get to your 6. So you write on a piece of paper tall, short, and then 4 more adjectives to describe a person. When you've done that, get your scrapbook out to a new page, and we're going to look at our book. You're going to find a new page and you're going to write the title here: How to Babysit a Grandma. Now I've written the date here and it hasn't come out, but you write the date at the top, the 29/7/2020. Now if you've noticed, I've done it in colour, and I've done it in capital letters, and I've done it in fancy writing. And that's okay because this is a title. So you can choose to do that, but I want you to make the title look different because it has to stand out like a title. All right, now I've chosen this picture from the book. And if you want a different picture, there's this one from the book. So have a look at the video that I read the book again, and you can stop it at any time to check out the pictures. So you choose one of the pictures that you like of the grandma, maybe in bed reading to her granddaughter, dancing, or at the park, and you draw the picture in the middle of your sheet of paper. So you're drawing grandma as best you can and not too small in the middle of your sheet of paper. And underneath your picture, you're going to write 6 adjectives that would describe the grandma. So I'm going to help you with 2 and you're going to find 4 more. So I think if I was using an adjective to describe the grandma, I think she is very helpful to her granddaughter. So I'm going to write helpful. That is an adjective that describes the grandma. I'm going to give you one more. I think she is very, what does that word say? Kind. So I think the grandma in this story, How to Babysit a Grandma, is both helpful and kind. Now you can have those 2 and you add 4 more, or you can add 6 of your own. When you've done that, check your spelling. Go to your title. Is it looking different to your writing? It needs to stand out because it is a title. Have you spelt everything correctly? Are you happy with the picture you have drawn? And go over your adjectives and check for spelling. If you are not happy with some of the words and some of the spelling, cross it out and write underneath. All right, don't rub out, please. When you are happy with your work, you upload it to Seesaw, please. I would like you to upload. Remember, I've been saying this for a while. If you're still unsure about how to upload, ask your parents for help again, but try and remember what they say to do so you can do it next time. All right, so good luck with your adjectives describing words. I wonder if I added this word. Is that a describing word? It can be. If we were describing a shape, it can be. But do we use that when we're describing a person? All right, so be careful of your choice of adjectives today. There's your cute, white and small puppy. There's your colourful arch and pretty rainbow. So off you go.